Good evening. This is day 8, our evening meditation and contemplation with Hildegard von Bingen. And as per usual, whenever you're ready, just close your eyes and allow yourself to arrive to the here and now. We live turbulent times, and our best contributions towards peace is a calm and peaceful demeanor, a focused mind that sees loving kindness and compassion and wants to see more of it. With every breath, we release and let go of the day, the troubles, the discomforts, anything that doesn't serve us right now. We let them all go on the out breath. And on the in breath, we turn our attention inward and upward. We search for the highest point, the heart of God, heart of the universe, heart of the loving, that all there is. And we notice a beam of golden white light pouring down on us, embracing us, holding, loving, in wholeness. We keep on holding our attention in oneness and allow ourselves to be held. My day is ending. Spend a moment welcoming the dark. Make friends with the silence of the night. Fill the room with the gifts that have flooded your life, your home, your health, your intelligence, your family. Picture the room boarded up, airless. Watch the gifts dry up, stagnate, wilt, even as they are protected from the world. Now break down the walls. Let in the light and air. Let in the world. Let in God. Welcome His creatures. Distribute His gifts. And we allow Hildegard's wonderful words and encouragement to take hold in our consciousness, knowing that we are one with all. All the gifts that we receive belongs to all, and all the gifts received by other belongs us all. It's all in oneness. It's all shared. It's all provided from one source, which is the divine, which is the loving. Night prayer. How precious to me is your steadfast love, O God. I take refuge in the shadow of your wings and feast on the abundance of your table. I depend on the river of your gifts, for with you is the fountain of life. Only in your light do I see light. Amen. Thank you for meditating and contemplating with me this evening. Have a blessed night. Baruch Bashan.